Hi, I'm Sunne Meyer from the Bluprint eCom team, talking to you about our Boundless releases for September. We have 3 amazing collections coming to the website. I have a kit here from our collection. This one is Bursting Star. You can see the star sort of towards the bottom. This is a really bright, fun collection, so having all the colors in this quilt, and they're all here, just makes it so much fun when it's on my machine. In this kit, you get 5 sets of charm squares and a 4-yard cut of the background fabric. I love this fabric. It has little swirls on it, but it just makes it so much fun when you pair it back with the bright Wonderland fabric. I hope you'll want to join me in making one of your own.
So this is the Amethyst Isles collection, which we're really excited about because it's really focused on home dec and interior trends, and I think that it's super applicable to our modern and traditional quilter. So this particular aesthetic, it tends to be more ornate and abstract and inspired by the Tree of Life. For these very traditional collections, most of the time it comes from vintage fabrics, typically from the 1700s. But here is our main floral Jacobean fabric with all of our turquoise and bright red and bright purple colors against like that pretty mauve. And then this is like, you don't see this in traditional fabric collections, so we kind of created this watercolor effect on this particular print, so it almost looks like a batik, but it's not. Ooh, but look at this guy, this one. So this is the particular fabric where you're getting those hits of the turquoise and that bright gold color, so the flowers like literally almost look like they're glowing. Like if you do a squint test, you're kind of like, whoa. So this is sort of the finished project that you would see, and it like we can play with like textures. Like this ends up like kind of a watercolory texture, and I love it.
I'm Meridian from Bluprint, and I'm the product line associate. I think you're all going to be really excited for this because this is something that QUILTKWEEN has sold already made in her shop, but now you'll be able to buy the pattern and the fabric from Boundless to make it for yourself. So here is our QUILTKWEEN 002. As you can see, it has a lot of negative space and unique shapes, as well as beautiful Boundless colors. So you get the exact cuts of fabric that you need, plus a little extra if you make a mistake. In this kit, we actually worked with QUILTKWEEN to design and curate the perfect colors for this project that would accent your home and look lovely on your couch. So if you look here, you get 3 fat quarters in coordinating colors, a ½ yard, and then a yard for the abstract shapes, and then a yardage cut of background for finishing out the negative space. So the other really unique thing about this kit is that it actually comes in 2 different colors. So there's this bright, fun version, and then there's a more neutral version, so you can pick the perfect color for your home. The other great thing about this full Boundless Solids release is that we have a lot of great kits in the modern space. We have listened to you and heard how much you love Angela Walters and all of the negative space that she has, so we've actually worked with and partnered with new designers to develop even more modern negative space quilts that's perfect for practicing machine quilting.
So now that you've met some of our eCom team members and you've learned about our quilting releases for September, we hope you'll join us at shop.mybluprint.com for these kits and so much more.
I've lost my train of thought.
To talk to you today one more time.
And then we can show it like this.